All right, hey everyone, my name is John Bradley. I'm here at the 2021 Blade Show. I'm here with Multitool grinders. Now, what we have here is a grinder that has multiple work surfaces. As you're going to use them, we're going to go through all of those. If you want to there. For our work surfaces, we have a flat platen up top. We have a side disc. There you go. That's a word that I was forgetting that.
You know, it happens
forgetting at a moment. So now all you got to do is just bring it forward. Now it's tracking for us. We got a slack and a contact belt. So as you're using the grinder, there's multiple ways you can use it. You can utilize it for so many things: knives, axes, down the road fabrication, everything else you can do in your shop. So let's create some sparks. So our tracking is just a cam lock over here on the side. And quick setup. I'll show you how to change the belt after I do this. So this is an axe I've been working on for most of the weekend. For the contact wheel, I'm trying to create a groove. Now if I want to get a nice sharpen on it, I can go under, go that side, this side. If I want to try and flatten out the back, now it's starting to flatten the back for me. I want to clean up those lines. Now I have the flat platen. So we got some sharp lines. We're getting those there. It's getting a little hot, so I don't want to go too crazy on this. Now let's slow this guy down a little bit. Now all our models work the same way, whether the belt is a different size or not. So the adjustment for the tracking is the same, and also the belt change. Push down, pull off, slip off the back, go back on, go to the little lever here.
Boom.
And it's ready to go. So all you gotta do is slip it on, slip it off. Neat thing about the grinder now that we have this tilt stand I'm standing on, I don't know if y'all noticed, kind of no matter what happens, my weight is on the plate. I'm standing here, I can lift, do whatever. It's also 100 pounds, you know. I don't add too much to it, but you know, whatever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tilt this thing on the side. There we go. Tool rest. Thank you, sir. Now we have a tool rest that we add on there. A couple knobs on here. Yep. Just put it on.
And I see you can change the angle on that as well.
Yep. So you go under.
Absolutely.
Just a quick angle. So I'm not going to throw the sparks, so it's going to go right at the camera. All right, let's throw some sparks. Sorry, guys. So if I want to continue doing my bevel there to create the beard, I can just go in and use the platen for that. And just to keep it even, I'm just going to keep flipping it over. Yeah, so there's a lot of things you can do with it. I'm going to pick.
And that was versatile. That was amazing.
Thank you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pass everything off to Greg. He's going to give you the technical end of everything.
All right. So next we have.
I'm Greg Bolton with Multitool grinders, and I'm going to show you some of the attachments that we have available here.
Okay.
Sorry. All right, this is our bread and butter that we started 40 years ago with. From the tool originated in Australia with a 2x36 attachment. This is the one that we've had for 40 years now. But as you can see, we've increased it now from just a 2x36. We've got a 4x36, a 2x48. We've got a 4x48, and we also have the 2x48 with an 8-inch contact wheel, which is a great tool for doing your knives for the hollow grind.
Okay.
You could also work off the platen. Just as John was showing you, have the platen, you have the disc on the side, you have the freeze strap and the rubber contact wheel.
Can I ask a question real quick?
Sure.
So, a person purchasing these, is it that the belts are all provided by your company? Is that an option, or do they also fit belts from different manufacturers?
Different manufacturers, but we also carry all the different belts too.
Okay, and so if people are looking to purchase this product, do they go through your company?
They can go through our company, yes.
Do you have any other distributors that represent multi-tool grinders?
We have distributors actually all over the country, but we also have our online website for our tools too.
Okay, well, I'll definitely have a link in the description of the YouTube video.
Yes.
All right, so what else you got for us?
Here at the show, we put together a two-armed monster, is I think what we're calling it today.
Okay.
You've got the two different arms going in different directions. I'm sorry, going in the same directions, but two different arms, one in horizontal, one in the vertical. You could work with 4 different belts at once, 4 different grids. You've got the belt here. This is the 2x48 arm with the disc. We've also have another 2x48 on here with the 8-inch contact wheel, and you could have a different grid over here on the other side with a different disc. So you could go from 4 different locations with 4 different grids and not have to change belts.
Now, do both sides go vertical?
You could put them both. You could put them both vertical, or you could have them both horizontal. But for the show, we put them one in each direction.
Sure, I just didn't know if you wanted to make sure that you could do all the different things.
Right.
And what else
This is our 40th anniversary model here, of the what we call the PA362-8, which is our 1 horsepower motor with a 2x36 attachment on it. This is the same model that John was just demoing on, but in the black version for our 40th anniversary. We also have, this is our different attachments, but with our motor now. We have it available on our motor.
So what do we have on the disc here?
The disc.
This particular disc?
No, this is just the stone that it comes with the stone on there.
Okay.
But you could change that to a wire wheel brush. You could put a Scotch-Brite wheel on there. You could put a sisal wheel on there. You're not limited to just using a stone.
Now,
and with
all these machines come with the different options of all those attachments. So all those different attachments and different links, they all fit each one of these machines?
Yes, they do. So this is just the 1 horsepower motor with the 2x48 8-inch contact wheel, 2x48 with the 3-inch contact wheel. These are all available through Multitool Grinders USA.
That's amazing. Very impressive display. Appreciate you so much. Thanks for being at the Blade Show. This was definitely not a dull moment. All right, so we'd like to thank Multitool Grinders. You guys, if you want to go to their website, there's going to be a link in the description. We appreciate you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Have a blessed night.
Thank you.